Christopher Nolan's Inception isn't just a movie. It's a puzzle box, a dream machine, and for many, a beautiful mystery. But what exactly is going on? At its heart, Inception is the story of Cobb, a man haunted by his past, especially the death of his wife, Mal. He's an extractor. He steals ideas from people's minds by entering their dreams. But now he's offered a job that seems impossible. Inception. Not extracting an idea, but planting one. To make someone believe an idea is their own, when it's really yours. To pull this off, he needs a team. Arthur, the meticulous researcher, Ariadne, the dream architect, Eames, the master of disguise, and Yusuf, the chemist who crafts the powerful sedatives. Their mission? Plant the idea in Robert Fisher Jr.'s mind to dissolve his father's empire. How do they do this? With a shared dreaming device. Everyone connects to the same dream space, built by the architect. Think of it like a multiplayer online game, but inside someone's head. Here's where it gets complex. For Inception to work, they need to go deep. That means dreams within dreams, like Matryoshka dolls of consciousness. The deeper you go, the more stable the idea becomes. Level 1. The city. This is the outermost layer, often the most chaotic due to the team's initial entry. This is Yusuf's dream. Level 2. The hotel. This dream is Arthur's, a place of structure and logic, crucial for the kicks. Level 3. The snow fortress. This is Eames's dream, a militarized and heavily guarded corporate facility. This is where the core idea is planted. Every target has a subconscious protection. In Fisher's case, trained military projections that attack the dream invaders. This is where Eames's forging skills come in handy. How do they know what's real? Totems. Small personal objects whose properties they alone know. Cobb's is the spinning top. In a dream, it spins forever. In reality, it falls. To wake up, you need a kick, a sudden jolt. If you're deep in a dream, you need a synchronized kick from the level above you. So the van falling in level 1 is the kick for level 2, and so on. The biggest threat? Mal, Cobb's deceased wife. Her projection haunts his subconscious, sabotaging missions and dragging him deeper into his guilt-ridden dreamscape. She's his personal nightmare. If you die in a dream while heavily sedated, you don't wake up. You go to limbo, an unconstructed, infinite dream space where time barely exists and you can get lost forever, forgetting what's real. So what's the ending? Cobb makes it home. He reunites with his children, but as he spins his totem, the film cuts to black just as it begins to wobble. Did it fall? Was he still dreaming? Nolan intentionally leaves it ambiguous. It forces the audience to confront the film's core theme. Does it matter if it's real, as long as you believe it is? Cobb chose to walk away and accept his reality, whatever it was. So did the top fall? Was Cobb truly awake? That, my friends, is for you to decide. What's your theory? Let us know in the comments below.